This episode is about building an improved forge. The forge body is made from a 16-ounce propane tank. Before I cut open the tank, I want to make sure that it's completely empty. I manually open the valve, and then I drill a hole in the front. This way I know it's totally decompressed without creating too much heat or any sparks that could ignite the gas. I cut open the convex end of the tank, leaving a half-inch lip around what will become the mouth of the forge. Then I drill several holes in a circular pattern at the rear of the forge. I use tin snips to open it up. The tin snips leave a rough edge, so I use a half-round file to smooth all of the openings. Using the same method, I cut a hole for the burner tip in the side of the tank. I leave enough room so that the burner can blow into the forge at a shallow angle, as shown. Next I use a layer of a high-temperature insulation, called DuraBlanket, to line the inside of the forge. If there are gaps around the edges of the initial layer, it may be necessary to cut smaller pieces and fill them in. Remember to wear gloves and a respirator when working with DuraBlanket, because if it touches bare skin, you will die. Next I apply 2 layers of this ceramic coating to the insulation. The ceramic coating dries to a hard surface. It serves both to protect the DuraBlanket and to prevent airborne fibers from blowing out of the forge. I used 2 layers of the ceramic coating over the insulation. I waited a full day in between for the first layer to dry. Finally, I secured the forge to a firebrick. This gives it a good base and prevents it from rolling during usage. The safe way to light this forge is to place a flame on the inside before turning the gas on, so that your hands and body are clear from the forge when the burner ignites. Thank you for watching, and for more instructional content, check out makingcustomknives.com.